hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to my 13th Lush Empties video. I have been filming these videos for so incredibly long and I thought, you know what, I haven't done in a while, filmed an empties video. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items to share with you. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a very quick Lush user. Like, I really savour all my Lush products, so I don't get through them very quickly. However, I have 13 to share with you. And if you guys didn't know what a Lush Empties is, essentially what I do is, because I've used all these items up, so like this one for example, I feel like I can give you a more in-depth review and kind of my honest thoughts and opinions on all the products. So I do this, then I take this to Lush, recycle them up, and then get my face mask or use them for money off and things like that. So anyway, without further ado, the rambling is over. I do just want to say, actually, please ignore my nails. They've all chipped whilst I've been at work and I forgot to repaint them before this video, so they look disgusting. I am so sorry. Please look past it. They look horrendous. So this is what they look like. Get out of your system. Disgusting. Anyway, we are going to move on. Let's dive in to the Lush Empties. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Also, just a pre-warning, some of these products I'm about to mention, they aren't available anymore. I do apologise, but some of these were like limited edition or from collections and things like that. So yeah, not all of them, but some of them. Anyway, let's dive into the first items. I'm going to start off with shower gels. So the first shower gel that I have used up is the Luigi shower gel, which was from the Mario range. Can we just talk about the packaging? Also, as you can tell, I haven't washed out the pots yet, so I do apologise, but look how cute. Like, look at Luigi. So adorable. Anyway, I absolutely love this shower gel. So this smelled like So White, which was a crisp kind of apple fragrance. It is so good. And ingredients wise in this one, it has got things like bergamot oil, orange oil, rose absolute and neroli, but it basically smells like you're biting into a crisp apple. Like, there is no other way to describe it apart from that. It is so delicious. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's so fresh. I can't even really describe it to you other than being a crisp apple scent, but it's not like a synthetic apple scent, if you know what I mean. Like, it is a very realistic apple smell, which I absolutely love. I love So White. It's been around for, I don't even know, like such a long time, before I even worked there, and it just, like, it makes me salivate. So good. Delicious. Anyway, that was from that range. I don't think you can buy a lot in So White anymore. I'm not sure if you can buy the moisturizer or anything like that at the moment, but yeah, if you can get something in So White, definitely recommend. Delish. Next up, moving on to a shower gel which you can buy all year round, and that is the Hippie shower gel. I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I didn't think I would love this one as much as I did. I thought, you know what, it's a bit of a basic scent. Like, it's grapefruit, it's fruity, it doesn't have a lot in it that I think, oh my god, I need to have that. But this was actually so good. It's such a fresh, clean staple smell. Like, that to me takes me back to working for Lush. Like, it's so clean and lovely. I just got that all over my nose. Oh, it's such a wonderful scent. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like grapefruit water, pink grapefruit. We also have fresh grapefruit juice, grapefruit oil, and bergamot oil. So it's basically full of grapefruit and things, but it is such a beautiful shower gel. I think it's so underrated. And again, my nails, I'm so sorry, hideous. But yeah, honestly, if you guys want a really lovely, kind of fruity, fresh shower gel, cannot recommend this enough. So I would highly recommend getting your hands on this one. And the last shower gel that I've used up recently is the Lord of Misrule shower gel. I am not going to bore you by going on about this fragrance for more than like a minute, because you guys know how much I love this scent. It's black pepper, it's patchouli, it's vanilla. It basically screams autumn, winter. It is so good, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Oh, honestly, I love this scent. This is definitely in my like top 3 fragrances. I am obsessed. I absolutely love it. This one is a seasonal product, although I do think you can buy it in some stores all year round now. I might be wrong, but originally this came out for Halloween and I was just instantly in love with it, and then ever since then, anything that smells like Lord of Misrule, I need to buy 12 because it is so good. And again, this one comes in a really fun bright green colour. I don't know if you guys can be able to see that, but it's just a staple for me. I absolutely love this shower gel, and again, I'm not going to go on about it too much because you guys know how much I love it, but It's insane. Next up, moving on to skincare. So the first item I have is one of their toner waters. If you guys haven't tried them, honestly, I forget how much I love them. They are so, so lovely. This is the Aroma Water toning water, which is a lavender and rose kind of vibe. It is so nice on the skin. I kind of use these in a few purposes. So I love using these just as a little hydration because it's just so fresh, clean, lovely. But also I really like to use these on a cotton pad kind of once I've cleansed and taken all like my makeup off and stuff. I like to just go over with one of these just to get any tiny bits of makeup or anything like that left on my skin off of my face. But I really, really enjoyed these. Ingredients wise in this one, it doesn't have an awful lot. It's literally lavender water and rose water, and that is basically it. So I'm really, really just obsessed with these, and I hadn't used one in so long, and I think I got given this one when I did a box swap, possibly with Sarah, possibly with Kelsey, I can't quite remember, but I fell in love with this, and I just, yeah, I'm honestly obsessed. So that is the first skincare item, and the other two are face masks. Can you guess which two they are? One of them you probably wouldn't, one of them you probably will. So I'm gonna go with the less obvious one first, and that is the Birth of Venus. Mine has seen better days, I'm not gonna lie, like she is looking a little bit worse for wear. I absolutely love the jelly face masks though. I have been a fan of these ever since they came out, and they then took them away, which was really, really upsetting, and then they brought them back, I think for, was it a kitchen box I think it came out in? I can't quite remember, but this product, I love it. I love them. They are so, so good. So I don't know if there's any left in here. No, there's literally nothing. I thought I just, oh no, there is a tiny bit in the lid. Can you guys see? It is a blue colour, but these come in a jelly format. So you sort of pinch a little bit off, you mix it in your palm of your hand to make a paste, put it on the skin. I just really, really like these. This one especially is so good. Ingredients wise in this one, we've got things like rose petal infusion. You've also got seawater, talc. You've got carrageenan extract, blue chamomile oil. It is just a very calming, gentle, softening face mask, and I absolutely love it. So Lush, if you are ever watching this video, I am begging you, bring back the jelly masks. I loved them so much. I'm sad that they're gone. They were just brilliant. So yeah, absolutely obsessed with that one. And the second face mask I've used up, can we get a drum roll please? Of course, it is my absolute favourite face mask, and that is the Mask of Magne. So this one is actually the Shrek pack edition, which came out for the Shrek range a few months ago. The actual face mask itself was the same. My absolute ride or die, my Mask of Magne. We love it. I absolutely just, I honestly don't know how many pots of this I've used up in my lifetime. It has to be over 10 by now. This one, ingredients wise, has things like honey, kaolin, bentone gel. We've got aduki beans for the exfoliation. We've got evening primrose seeds. We've got peppermint oil. Honestly, it's just the most perfect face mask if you suffer with spots or acne or anything like that. Like, it is just so cleansing, so scrubby. If you've got sensitive skin, I probably would avoid, but other than that, it is just my ride or die. I absolutely love it, and I will never get bored of it. And personally, I do prefer the self-preserving version, which this one is. The main difference is the honey amount, I believe, so I much prefer that because it's more moisturising. But anyway, that is that. So good. The next item I finished up, honestly, I would be very, very surprised if you guys haven't heard of it, because to be honest, it has gone pretty viral at the moment, and that is the Super Milk Hair Conditioning Spray. I absolutely love this product. This one, granted, is an older bottle. I had two on the go at one point. I finished this one. I now have a new one, but this one is just so good. I tend to use this mainly for like slick back bun days when I want to put a conditioner in my hair, and I get these like flyaway bits at the front, so I just sort of spray it all over, smooth it out, and it just smells delicious. Like this with sticky dates, incredible. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got things like almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, you've got lemon, you've got olive oil. It is just full of beautiful ingredients, and the smell, it literally smells like caramel and toffee and vanilla and like all those foodie delicious smells. Like that is what this smells like, and it is so good. Honestly, if you guys haven't tried this product yet, I cannot recommend it enough. It's softening. The scent alone is just, it's enough to make me buy 10 bottles. So highly recommend, absolutely obsessed with it. Next up, I have two toothpaste items. The first one is, of course, one of my absolute favourite items from Lush, and that is the Toothpaste Jelly in Soother. I absolutely love the toothpaste jellies. I have Black Sabbath on the go at the moment now, and I just absolutely love it. I just don't know what it is about these. Like, I feel like they're so underrated. These could really like pop off. Like, if you guys haven't tried them and you want a more natural toothpaste but you don't like the tablets, because for me the texture of the tablet, like I just don't like it. It kind of makes me gag a little bit. Like I'm just not a fan. But these, so good, so good. Essentially what it is, it's a jelly texture, so oh, it just smells amazing. So you basically get your toothbrush, pop it in there, you sort of scoop a little bit out and then wet your toothbrush under the water. But these, I just cannot fault them. There's 3 flavours. There's this one, there's the Black Sabbath, and then there's the mint one, which is called, is it called Cool or something like that? I love them all. Like, I absolutely love all 3 of them. I want them to bring out more flavours. I'm obsessed. So yeah, this is the Soother one. Again, I really, really enjoy it. It is the orange one, in case you're going to go in there and pick one up for yourselves. And ingredients wise in this, we have got things like clove infusion. You've also got things like aniseed oil, clove bud oil, almond essential oil, agar gel. You've also got carrageenan extract. It's just so good. And the second dental product, I suppose, is the Tooth Fairy Strawberry Tooth Powder. I'm not gonna lie, I finished this one up quite a while ago, but I haven't put it in an Empties video, so I thought, oh, I'll grab that and let you guys know what I thought. So I don't think you can actually buy this anymore, which is a shame. This was essentially like your Snow Fairy equivalent of toothpaste. It was so good. It also had sparkles in it, which was fun. I don't know if you guys can see, if I hold it up, can you see the sparkles? I really hope so, but it kind of gave it that really fun element to sort of brushing your teeth, which was really nice. It was so good. I absolutely loved this one. This one, as I said, was a powder, so what you would do is you would wet your toothbrush and sort of dab it in the powder. I really enjoyed that kind of aspect as well. So this and the jellies, definitely my favourite by far. And in terms of ingredients in this one, it's got things like snowflake luster, of course. We've also got arrowroot, we've got kaolin, we've got lemon oil. So it's just full, again, of really great products, and I absolutely loved it. So yeah, if you ever want a toothpaste, get a powder, get a jelly. Amazing. The next 2 items are body scrubs. The first one is the orange shower scrub, which I absolutely loved. It was so good. Like, I honestly don't think there's anything in this whole Empties that I didn't enjoy, but it's so good. It smells like Brightside, which is a orange scented bubble bar, which is absolutely delicious, by the way. But yeah, this is a bright orange scrub. There's not much more I can say about the colour or the smell. It smelt how it looked, and it looked how it smelt, if you know what I mean. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got things like sea salt, orange peel infusion, you've got orange juice, mandarin oil, tangerine oil, and bergamot oil. It was just so lovely. And I will say, as I have said before, I do much prefer the thicker textured scrubs now. I find that I don't drop as much. This one was more of a looser texture, so I found that when I was using it, I did spill a little bit of it, but that is my fault, not the scrub's fault. But it was just delish. I'm pretty sure you can still get this one. Correct me if I'm wrong. I knew you could, like, somewhat recently, I feel, so let me know down below. But I absolutely loved it. And again, this is what the pot looks like. It is just your classic orange body scrub, and it was delish. And the second body scrub I finished up was the Scrub body scrub. This one I believe we got in a kitchen box. Yes, we did. So again, you can't get this one anymore. However, you used to be able to buy this one a while ago, which I really enjoyed when we had it. Oh, it's so good. This one is a really lovely scrub. Again, it's the same texture as the orange one, so it was more of a looser consistency. And ingredients wise in this one, we had sea salt, blackberry puree, lime puree, blackcurrant powder, blackcurrant absolute, rosemary oil, and pine oil. So I'm pretty sure this smelled like the comforter. As I said, this one was an exclusive in the kitchen box, so I'm so sorry that you can't go and buy it, but it was so good. So if you ever see it on the kitchen box, or you ever see it online, or you ever see it coming out, get excited, because it was fab. And lastly, I have 2 fragrances that I've used up, 1 body spray and 1 perfume. So let's do the body spray first. Oh, I dropped it. Anyway, let's do the body spray first, and that is, of course, my Snow Fairy body spray. Honestly, using this one up was a little bit bittersweet, because I really loved this scent, and it is honestly the one body spray from Lush that I've used that people recognise the smell the most, and I think that is why I really enjoyed it, because I would like spray it and people were like, you smell like Lush, and I'm like, I know, do you know what I mean? Like, it was always this one, and I loved it. If you guys haven't smelt Snow Fairy, what are you doing? Honestly, if you love bubblegum, candy, sweets, like any sweet, overly invasive, like sweet scent, like you will be obsessed with this. So Snow Fairy is the kind of cult classic Lush product. It is so wonderful, and I keep dropping it. What is wrong with me? And ingredients wise in this one, it doesn't really say much on the back, I guess because they try and keep all the scents as sort of private, I suppose, as possible, but that is the back anyway. I absolutely love them. I know that the body sprays are a little bit more on the expensive side when it comes to Lush, but I think this lasted me like 6 months. Like, I just needed one spray. Amazing, so good. And again, I just absolutely love the scent, so that was that one. And last but definitely not least is a perfume I finished, and honestly, when I finished this, I wanted to cry. I do have a 100ml bottle of it, so I don't really need to get that emotional, but it was sad seeing it come to an end, and that is of course my Lord of Misrule perfume. I have had this perfume for such a long time, and I think I bought this one, oh my gosh, I can't even remember when I bought it. I think this was back when the kitchen did that drop of perfumes, and it was like this one, American Cream, and like Rose Jam, like years ago, and I'm talking like 10 years ago maybe, but it smells just as good as it did on day one. It's so good. Again, black pepper, patchouli, vanilla, perfect for this time of year. And again, I do have a 100ml bottle up there, so I am using that one sparingly. But yeah, I absolutely love it. Like, Lord of Misrule is just my favourite, but I'm trying to get every last drop of it out before I recycle it, but I'm determined. Okay, I think she's pretty empty. Like, literally, that is all that's left. So, I don't know if you guys can see anything in there. Probably not, but yeah, what can I say? Amazing. So those are all of the Lush empties I have used up recently. I would love to know down below your thoughts and opinions on any of these products, and also, are you guys using any Lush products up at the moment? I would love to know. Also, I completely forgot to tell you guys at the start of this video, but I actually have an affiliate link now with Lush, which is absolutely insane. So essentially what an affiliate link is, if you guys didn't know, is basically you shop through it, and any sales that go through, I get a percentage, which means that I can use that to, you know, buy more Lush things, to do more videos and things. So I would really, really appreciate it if you do go on the Lush website and buy yourself any of these items, if you would go through my affiliate link, and it is linked down below. I would just really appreciate it. So yeah, that is everything in today's video. I love you so much. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, we are nearing 12,000, which is insane. So I would really, really appreciate it if you would stick around and subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.